All right, welcome to Saturday Morning Qigong, streaming live here from Chicago's Arrigo Park. It's a perfect Saturday morning to be doing Qigong in the park, and I hope you're all enjoying it from where you are too. So to begin, let's settle in and extend your hands to the front of your vertical circle. Sink into a quad squat, circle down and back. Stretch up through the legs in the quad, a circle up and out. For the first few circles, let's get the coordination together. The sense of powering and controlling the circle with the legs and the waist. So as you stretch up the legs and the quad, that sends the arms up and out. Sinking into the quad squat draws the arms down and back. Next, from the front of your circle, feel the top of your head release down your body. From the front of the circle, release down your body to your feet and below your feet, however you can. And if you can, with your intent, with softening, maybe slowing down, strengthen that downward release as you move. Just turn up the volume on it, aiming to get it below your feet. Come to the back of your circle. Change directions. From the front of the circle, release down. Let's start working with the other direction. So release down. And then from below your feet, drop. Using your intent, using the movement, and whatever else you can. Feel for any sense of something coming up your body. And then release down from the top of your head. Flush it out the bottom of your feet. Drop. Release down. Drop. Release down. And if you get a sense of anything releasing down and coming back up, then you will have a transition between the two. Smooth that out. So the releasing down then connects to the drawing up in an increasingly continuous way. Come to the back of your circle. Let's add the weight shift. So take a step forward. Shift weight back of the circle. Smoothly shift weight forward, circle forward. Smoothly shift weight back, circle back. Drawing up, releasing down. So as you shift weight, you're drawing up the back leg. As you shift weight, you're releasing down the back leg. It's one way to do it. Come to the back of your circle. Change directions. Now you might find the weight shift adds a little more power. You release down and you're drawing up. Got more leg in the game here. Come to the back of your circle. Change your stance. Shift weight back. Smoothly shift weight forward, circle forward. Shift weight back, circle back. Releasing down as you circle back. Drawing up from beneath your foot as you circle up and out. Come to the back of your circle. Change directions. Come to the back of your circle. Change your stance, please. So as some rotation, shift weight back, turn your hips into the weighted leg. Smoothly shift weight forward, turn your hips, circle forward, shift weight back, turn your hips, circle back. Shift weight forward, turn your hips, circle forward. Shift weight back, turn your hips, circle back. Drawing up as you shift weight and turn. Releasing down as you shift weight and turn. Come to the back of your circle. Change directions. Come to the back of your circle. Change your stance, please. Shift weight back, back of the circle. Turn your hips into the weighted leg. Smoothly shift weight forward, turn your hips, circle forward. Shift weight back, turn your hips, circle back. Drawing up. Releasing down. Come to the back of your circle. Change directions. Smooth, continuous circular movement. Drawing up. Releasing down. Come to the back of your circle. Smoothly back to neutral. I encourage you to stand and feel how you feel. If you feel a sense of being energized inside, it's okay. Now just soften that. Let it settle. Then go back to the top of your head. Just very softly release down. Ground yourself after that practice.